Have you felt this feeling? Can AI replace my job? I'm going to share my personal story how I survived in IT for 17 long years with 8 years working in abroad. So I'm going to share my personal story how I able to survive. So I was born and brought up in Virudhunagar, a small town in Tamil Nadu. But from there, my journey started across oceans, and I was able to work in multiple companies in multiple countries, and now I am back to India. So I want to share this knowledge with you all. I was close to my family, especially to my mom and to my aunt we call Chitti. They taught me lessons of resilience, empathy and appreciation where no textbook, no algorithm or no AI can replace. So here I bring it as point by point to share it with you all. But let me share a secret. What made me successful was not my technical skills alone. It was something much deeper which no AI can understand or replicate. It was the concept of emotional intelligence. Here are 5 principles I am going to share it with you all that no AI can replicate. Appreciations that nurtures people. I never saw my team just as resources. I saw them as human beings who are filled with dreams. So here is what I did it. I appreciate and thank you my teammates for whichever task they have completed, and I don't maintain any secrecy for the good positive appreciation. I always CC the 1 level or 2 level higher management, bringing my team visible to the management, and I truly appreciated their work from my heart without holding anything towards me. So how could this impact people? So this could impact them in a very positive way. It motivates my team members to cooperate with me and to cooperate and align with the project deadlines. And in return, we delivered more tasks in such a short time. Remember, AI can measure the performance, but it cannot make the people feel seen and valued. Protection during escalation. And if something happens and if escalation comes and hits the team, we have to take responsibility in charge as the leaders and project managers. I don't let the escalation hit my team members directly. Absolutely no blame gaming. Instead, I was concentrating on building a strategy to reduce the impact. So when I take that responsibility, my teammates could concentrate on the technical steps to resolve the issue, to minimize the outage, and I used to update my customers step-by-step measures taken to reduce the outage. Inspire a team genuinely to stand united. Remember, AI can analyze the escalation data, but AI cannot inspire a team genuinely to stand united. Through this, I could build trust and loyalty with my team members and also with my client side. Number 3, always stand by your values and your purpose. So the purpose in my life was very clear to me. I came to work to give better lifestyle to my family. So when I remember my purpose, I always have my values aligned to my purpose. So I am someone who believed in doing the work without any follow-ups, doing the work on time and doing the work very clean. Your own personal brand, it's very unique the way it can impact your team and others, which no AI can replicate. So every human being are created with unique values, and everyone has a diversified purpose which is very personal to them. Number 4, freedom over micromanagement. I always gave enough flexibility for my team members to take some time off for their personal purpose. So I didn't do any micromanagement when I handled my team. You know what? Most of the time, in fact 99% of my team members aligned with my values, and they didn't take it for granted. They always delivered on time when they are online. So this built trust and ownership between the team members, and they cooperated so well to finish every deliverables on time. Remember, AI can track attendance, but it can never build a self-worth in an individual. Compassion for personal life. So to some extent, we have to relate to people's. When they ask for leave, when they apply sick leave, ask them and wish them a speedy recovery. When there is something happening in their personal life, and I still remember one of my teammates was explaining he has to take care of his father's cancer treatment, and we gave the flexibility to him to be in hospital with his dad, and we gave the flexibility to take some time off whenever there is a treatment. You know what, such resources, whenever they are online, they complete their task, probably sitting late night hours, but they still completed the task for that day they are supposed to do. And in return, I could earn the trust and royalty. And remember, AI can track the attendance, but it cannot genuinely care for people. And I could share one more story, the real story which happened. During the COVID time, one of our employee was sick. He was infected by COVID virus. But beyond the HR approved 14 days of sick leave for COVID, when he returned to work, he was still tired and feeling some irritation in his throat, and he was coughing. As a manager, we were all very compassionate to this employee who just recovered from COVID, and we allowed him to take some time off and rest whenever he feels tired. And you know what? When this resource got recovered, and whenever there is a project call and there was information that I need, I have to ask my team member, or I want someone to join the call little after their working hours or late night. Such resources have always helped me, and they have stood when I need them the most. They came back with great ownership for the deadlines, and they collaborated well with the other team members to improve the overall team performance, and that made my life so much easier. This kind of human compassion, human empathy, human appreciation, and make the people valued, it cannot be done through AI. Yes, AI can write code, mimic human voice, it can draft emails, it can do a number of things, but it cannot hold a human hand when they are scared. It cannot make you feel valued. It cannot dream alongside you. Yes, what makes you irreplaceable is not just your technical skills. It's your emotional depth, emotional intelligence, it's your compassion, it's your value and integrity that you sow in other people's life. So my beautiful souls, don't be afraid of AI. Build something which is called personal brand, which elevates your value, your emotional intelligence, and your unique human presence. When you do that, AI stops becoming your competitor. It becomes just a tool for you. AI is just a tool to accelerate your performance, I would say, but it cannot replace you. And you become truly irreplaceable. And I hope this video has helped you. And I do have courses on personal branding. So for information, WhatsApp to this given number. So if you want to be part of my community, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I see you in my next video.